it's your girl Coco Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing these medium large passion twists on myself. I'm going to be showing you guys the whole process from start to finish. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So this is the hair I had picked up. It's a color 27. I had did a vinegar water soak the day before, let it air dry. And then I had pre-sectioned out my whole head, and then I am just applying some edge control to smooth, some conditioner, and then I am detangling it. Now I'm going to do like a half braid instead of using a rubber band, and then I'm going to smooth it with some more of that edge control. I got my crochet latch here, and then I'm going to put it through the base of that little half braid that I made, and then with the latch open, I'm going to take 2 strands, put them onto the latch, close it, and then pull it through. So I got 1/2 of the hair, and then I'm going to use my real hair as like the 3rd leg. I'm going to do a braid just a couple of times down. So I got my half of my hair now on 1/2 of the crochet, and then the other half of my hair with the other half of the crochet. And then now I'm just going to twist. It's going to just twist my hair in the crochet hair. And then you can always go back in with your edge control to help smooth your hair into the crochet hair. Then I'm just going to just keep twisting. I think I'm just gonna stop right here, and then I'm just going to just move on to the next braid. So I'm working on the very last braid now, and I am just repeating those same exact steps. I'm smoothing it with some edge control, adding some leave-in conditioner, detangle, and then I think that I had started to do like the half braid. Like I said, you can do the rubber band method, but be careful if you do. The rubber bands can cause some breakage, but you know, just be careful if you do that. And then I'm going to smooth it with some more of the edge control, and then attach the crochet hair. So I had did a few rotations, few braid rotations, and then I proceeded to twist my hair. And then next I'm gonna show you guys how I had like finished off the ends. I think I waited till the end to do like all of the ends, and then after this, I think it'll be like the next day, and then I'll be doing my edges, and then y'all will see the completed look. And then I'll give you guys my final thoughts at the end. So in total, it took me about maybe like 6-7 hours to complete this look. Maybe not even that long. It went by kind of quick. I did take some breaks, maybe like 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours to do the hairstyle. So it's definitely doable. I did it on a Saturday. Today is now Sunday, and I would recommend, you know, doing it like on a weekend when you don't really have anything else planned, or you can break it up into 2 days. The hair is a little heavy, but that is to be expected for like twists or locks, any kind of hair like that. When you wear it long, or pretty much period, it is going to add like a little bit of weight to your hair. But yeah, I'm hoping to get maybe like 3 to 4 weeks out of this style. I think that that's doable with just like some maintenance, maybe touching up the parts with some of this edge control, doing maybe like a wash, and using hair scalp sprays and conditioning products for the hair. I think that the hair you know, would last for that long. Cutting out like little tangles. If you see that the hair is starting to look kind of frizzy, just cutting like that part out to keep the hair looking fresh. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Let me know what you guys think of this style down below, if you plan on doing it on yourself. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And until next time, y'all, take care.